Welcome to the in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5s, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the silent mode on this device. So first you should press one from your volume buttons here on the right side of your phone. And here you'll see the bell icon. Just tap twice on the bell icon and you'll just turn on your silent mode, and your notification and ringtones just will mute it. And just to turn it off, tap here again on this. As can you see, we got here the message that currently in silent mode, volume keys have no effect. And now just to turn off the silent mode, tap once again on the bell icon and you'll turn it off. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.